repairing, cracking, flaking, and clumping paint in the Bronx, New York. Hey there, homeowners in Bronx, New York. Today, we're tackling a common paint problem, those pesky cracks and flakes. Picture this. You've just painted your walls and suddenly vein-like cracks appear. Not the look you were going for, right? So what causes this? First, insufficient surface prep. Skipping the sanding and priming step can lead to trouble. Next, over-thinning paint. Don't dilute it like it's a juice box. And watch out for heavy application. Thick paint can crack. Plus, inadequate dry time between coats is a no-no. Lastly, aging paint becomes brittle over time. Fear not, Bronx, New York homeowners. Here's how to fix it. Grab a scraper, wire brush, or heat gun. Remove the flaking paint. Feather the edges with sandpaper. Clean the surface thoroughly. Apply a good primer. Then repaint the problem spots. Remember, proper paint application thickness matters. Don't rush. And there you have it, Bronx, New York. Say goodbye to those cracks and flakes. For specialized professional help, call 1-877-237-3194. Happy painting, friends! Again, for skilled, professional paint-related assistance, call 1-877-237-3194 today.